maka dako siya impact sa imuhang kanang brain. For example, ang atong brain is nana siya protective covering, which are the meninges. And if there will be if naay mahitabo nga kanang accident nga dako siya impact sa tuang kuan sa tong brain mo nang naay part ana nga maka-cause sa nga murag na sila'y kanang na siya effect gani sa mo na siya nga matawag og traumatic injury or brain injury. It will not just kanang affect a child's educational performance but also kanang sa kuan pod its daily living. Next Lar. Okay, in history, kanang TBI is already kanang nanagyan na siya daan. And according to Grenicher in 2007, there have been writings about the examination of skulls from battlefields in which a hole was drilled into the skull using a trepanning tool, apparently to provide some physical relief for the injured soldier. So, mo na siyang example kaning skull, and then there kaning nasa left side of the picture kay mo na siya ang mga tools nga gamiton for sa katong mga surgeons for nga ilahang nang buslutan ang skull sa mga tao in order to see kung asa dapita nga part sa brain ang naay kanang na-impact or na-damage. And then, nahunong lang niya siya nga kanang type of surgery nila kay na nanamay kanang advancement of technologies mo na nga pag 20th century gitawag na ni siya og brain surgery. Next, Lar. So, causes, number 1 is ang fall. Ang fall mo ay pinaka most common cause of TBI, and most particularly in older adults and young children. Or fall sa bed, kung taas kay ang murag kuan sa inyong bed, sa ladder, sa stairs. Most kanang common kanang sa stairs jud kanang dako jud kay nag-impact labaw na if taas kayo ang kuan ninyo kanang hagdanan. Next is ang vehicle-related collisions. Munang mga accidents sa cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even kanang pedestrian accidents. Nakoy na kuan before kanang na aksidente ba miss niya kanang nagkadugo jud siya and kuan kanang nagyud siya sa amo atubangan oto. And next is violence, most especially kanang gunshot wounds, domestic violence, child abuse, and other assaults. And then there are also kanang for the infants kay mo na ang shaken baby syndrome nga imong i-shake maayo ang kanang bata maka-cause siya og kanang TBI, since we all know that babies or infants are still very sensitive. Next is sports injuries. Traumatic brain injuries may be caused by a number of sports, including soccer, boxing, football, baseball, lacrosse, skateboarding, hockey, and other high-impact or extreme sports. These are particularly common in youth. Kanadjong boxing kay mo na siya kanang pinaka grabe kay dako kayog impact ana nga ikasukmag nimo nay kuan nga maigo jud siya ang ulo. And then explosive blasts and other combat injuries. These are common of TBI in active duty military personnel. Although the damage occurs isn't yet well understood, many researchers believe that the pressure wave passing through the brain significantly disrupts brain function. Next, Lar. There are symptoms nga makuha nimo sa brain injury. That depends on the type and the location of the injury. The person's symptoms may include loss of consciousness, confusion and disorientation, memory loss or amnesia, fatigue, headaches, visual problems, poor attention, sleep disturbances, dizziness or loss of balance, irritability or emotional disturbances, feelings of depression, seizures, or vomiting. So as what I have said earlier, ay kanang kuan mi og kanang road accident, and then katong particular person kay kuan gyud siya kanang na siya naglingkod sa pavement, and then more siya disoriented pa kayo, and then murag sige siya go ulo, so feel ako labad guro to siya, and then kuan kanang mo try siya og barog kay mura siya kuan balik jud siya og lingkod, and then I think that's the impact of kanang being in an accident. Next are. And then also, children's symptoms, infants and young children with brain injuries may not be able to communicate, headaches, sensory problems, confusion, and similar symptoms in a child with traumatic brain injury. But you may also observe the changes in eating or nursing habits, the unusual or they are very, very easy to be irritable, persistent crying and inability to be consoled, change in ability to pay attention, change in sleep habits, seizures also, and change in ability to pay attention. So, mas better if the child kanang ma-experience siya o kanang ganing accident, you have to kuan kanang inyo siyang ipa-consult sa doctor para mas na preventive measures and para mas kuan siya, safety. And then naay kanang kuan sana siya tawag kanang basta kanang kuan miss kanang naay assessment from the doctors. Next is Erica.
So examples of traumatic brain injury. First is kanang contusion. Type of traumatic brain injury caused by a bomb blow or jolt to the head, or by a hit to the body that causes the head and brain to move rapidly back and forth. So kani siya kanang is a minor injury nga kanang caused by kanang shaking, kanang impact sa imong ulo, or kanang a sudden change sa movement. For example, kanang gaduwa baron mo og kanang basketball, then naigo imong ulo sa bula, or kamo banduhan nag sa uban nga player nagkaparok inyong tama na siya. So second is kanang brain contusion. So a brain contusion is a type of traumatic brain injury that causes localized bruising of the brain. So kani siya kanang bruise ni siya sa brain tissue, and excuse me. And just like any other bruise, they are caused by kanang breaking and leaking of kanang small blood vessels. So, so this kanang leaking blood under sa skin kay mo na nag-cause og kanang ihang color kay murag bluish gali. For example, kanang in a car accident naigo baron imong ulo sa kanang sa steering wheel, then kanang nagka-bruise ka. And then next slide please. Penetrating brain injuries is when an object enters the skull and harms the brain. So kani siya kanang cause ni siya sa any external force or kanang object that is strong enough to kanang break through the skull. For example, kanang gipusil imong ulo, char. Kanang mao na lang. So next is anoxic brain injuries. is harm to the brain due to the lack of oxygen. Brain cells without enough oxygen will start to die after about 4 minutes. So kanang most often occurs because kanang blockage of blood flow. Yeah, when the brain does not o siya ka-receive o kanang enough oxygen para ma-operate siya properly, ang brain cell kay magkaana na siya og kanang kamatay, and then ang brain injury will occur. For example, kanang a blood clot, stroke, heart attack. Next slide please. Diffuse axonal injury is a type of traumatic brain injury that results from a blunt injury to the brain. Similar ni siya sa concussion, it results from the brain moving, pero kanang much worse lang din siya. Kanang for example, kanang na-crash imong like nagmotor ka niya, na-crash ang imong motor, and then grabe kay pagka-impact sa imong ulo sa ground. Next is hypnoxic brain injury are that form due to a restriction on the oxygen being supplied to the brain. So ang oxygen supply niya kay na-interrupt niya ang consciousness kay mawala siya for 15 seconds, and damage to the brain kanang begins to occur mga 4 minutes na walay oxygen. So kay ang for example, form of inefficient suffocation like near drowning, near hanging, cardiac arrest, carbon monoxide, or kanang exposure sa poisonous gases. Next slide please. Lastly, second impact syndrome. Second impact syndrome happens when the brain swells rapidly shortly after a person suffers a second concussion before symptoms from an earlier concussion have subsided. So, this condition kanang ang usa ka individual kay experience a second hand injury before complete recovery from an initial head injury. For example, kanang ang usa ka person wala pa siya naka fully recovered, and then nibalik siya og duwa, kanang naigo na sa iyang ulo balik, kanang diha na siya matawag nga kanang second impact injury. Next slide please. Famous personality with traumatic brain injury. First is Richard Hammond. Richard Hammond crashed while driving a high-speed jet-powered car when filming Top Gear, and he suffered a serious brain injury. Next is James Cracknell, a gold medal-winning Olympian, suffered a serious brain injury while filming in Arizona for a TV show in 2010, and suffered serious brain injury. So next is Rick Mayall, the late actor, director, writer, suffered a brain injury in 1998 when the quad bike he was riding was crashed. Next is Mark Ammon. Singer-songwriter and musician Mark Ammon suffered brain injury as a result of a motorcycle crash in 2004. So lastly, um, Roald Dahl, the late the late novelist, poet, and screenwriter, served as fighter pilot during World War II. In 1940, he crashed his plane and suffered a brain injury. Next, Lara.
And so for the teaching strategies, first, wait. First is to demonstrate new tasks and provide examples, charts, and other graphics to illustrate ideas and concepts. So demonstrate new tasks and kana include yung mga illustrations, mga graphics, and other graphs. Second is state instructions clearly and go over each step to make sure the students understands instructions. Third is the paraphrase information para help na ma-recall. Fourth, review and summarize often. Fifth is report all key points. And six, provide ample time for task completion. Kay kanang mga traumatic brain ay mga TBI kay kanang they need extra time to process information mga complete task as well para to respond for verbal cues and instructor questions. 7. Encourage the use of schedules, checklists, and notebooks to assist in organizing daily information. Mag-provide ka ng mga organized na mga organize or mga checklist para murag organize sila sa kaning na daily information. Then, number 8, break assignments into smaller parts. Break complex tasks down into steps. Number 9, be prepared for reduced stamina and increased fatigue. Number 10, allow students to tape record lectures. So naamay ka ng mga ilang sa assistive technology na mga device na ilang gamitan and software para gamitin nila kung mag-record sila lectures. Number 10, assist student in obtaining a note taker. 11, test 12, have the student sit in the front of the class. So, assistive technology. The Technology-Related Assistance to Individuals with Disabilities Act of 1988 describe an assistive technology device as any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired commercially off the shelf, modified or customized that is used to increase, maintain, or improve functional capabilities of individuals with disabilities. Assistive technologies can be high-tech and low-tech. The following assistive technologies may assist those with a brain injury communicate. Speech-generating services. This may be a standalone device, usually very small and light, or it can be software that is installed in a tablet or phone. On GoTalks is a type of speech-generating devices. GoTalks are offered with various amounts of communication options and sizes. Na siya GoTalks 30, GoTalks 32 Plus, GoTalks 9, and the Sony ICSU X530 series voice recorder. This discrete voice recorder has built-in USB for easy transfer of audio. Tascam VR05X portable digital recorder. One benefit of this recording device is it does not change pitch when the playback is changed. Si kaning Dragon Natural Speaking software ni siya nga can assist those whose oral skills are more advanced than their writing skills. GPS on handheld devices. It may be useful, although some people with TBI find the map interfaces to be too complex and difficult to use in community navigation. Kaya nasa mga GPI na magamit ka ng mga smartphones para mag-give sila ka ng output or related sa kanang upcoming landmarks bitaw para murag mas useful pa siya. Tas mas important sad nga kanang GPI para kung kuan mga individuals are relying on systems such as looking at screen while walking, which may be put them at risk. So kani ang GoTalks 3032. Naisay ka ng GoTalks 9 na kanang 9 ra ka kanang Square and then software na Dragon Natural Speaking tas kaning Sony voice recorder then kani ang GPS tas Tascam portable digital recorder. Yan. So that's it. Oh, thank you for listening.
All right. Thank you so much for the topic that you have there.
Hi,